Now, the purpose and context of user interface design, we can examine that. The purpose of this user interface design is to make the user interaction with the system as simple and efficient as possible in terms of the user task. So how can we design the interface between the system and the user so that the user can achieve what they want to do without the system getting in the way, with the system helping them as much as they can? That's the purpose of it. Now, this is often called user-centered design, as opposed to system-centered design. The context of this, well, the stakeholder objectives at this stage are unlikely to have changed. However, the stakeholders' objectives are more likely to favour the person who's paying for it, as opposed to the user. The user tends to get forgotten a bit. So the objectives for the user interface may not be as evident as they should be. You might have to go looking for them. The usability of the system and the effort you put into the user interface design has to be balanced with other characteristics of the system, typically with security and in some circumstances performance. There are some systems where you want the system to respond quickly and you assume that the user knows what they're doing. Other systems, you may want the system to protect the user from their own mistakes, but the context is you have to understand which one that is. Something else in the context is that full usability testing is very difficult and expensive. You probably aren't going to be able to do that, but the question is going to be, well, how much do you think you can test the user interface? And I guess the other part of the context is that good user interface designers are really hard to find.